Hello friends, I would love to invite you to our live workshop in Brazil happening on the 5th of November, and we're going to be building a very special dwelling that I've been designing since 2007. It's been inspired on an earthship as well as Cal Earth and flying concrete. I'm combining it all into one cohesive, playful, living bioshelter organism. At the center will be a rectangular vault with a rounded back. At the front of it will be a geodesic greenhouse. On the side will be an Aircrete dome. And on this side we will have a seashell bamboo structure. And behind the home will be a water tank. I have redeveloped Waterlarium for warm climate, which in essence means bigger roofs to protect from the sun, longer rooms, not to allow the sunlight to come in and hit that back wall and reduce sunlight in essence. And the cooling will be achieved via underground tubes and the water tank, which will be connected to the back wall, allowing the water to actually cool down the entire house. Arthur, together with his family, are in the process of forming a community on this very land. So with this workshop, we'll already have a whole bunch of like-minded individuals where we'll get to work side by side and feel each other out. And should you wish to join a community, this will be a perfect opportunity to meet the landowners, to meet other people. The building is one part and the community formation is another part. It's this integration, just like the two dragons here on my shirt. You'll learn how to build a rectangular room with a vault. The framework for the vault is actually reusable. So you take it out and you build multiple vaults right next to each other or at other places on your land. You'll learn how to build an Aircrete dome. Behind the vault we'll have a super adobe leaning half dome. So you'll also learn how to build a super adobe dome. So it's already 3 technologies that you will master by the end of this workshop, and then we'll get to play with bamboo and weave it together into this basket seashell form that will be on this side to create a bit of shade. So I'd love to hand over word to Arthur, who recorded a little invitation from the actual land where we're going to be building Waterlarium Living Bioshelter.
Hello friends, I'm standing here in the middle of a empty piece of ground where we're about to build a ecologically friendly passive heating and cooling dome home with the guidance of Alosha, who many of you may know. And we're going to do that in November of this year here in Brazil. We're in Bicas, Minas Gerais. You can find it on the map. If you can't find Bicas, you can find Juiz de Fora. We're about 2.5 hours north of Rio de Janeiro and the lovely beaches there. And we hope you come and join us for 3 weeks. We'll have some fun and build something amazing. We changed our vantage point here to give you an overview of the property where we're intending to start a community. This is a 300-acre valley. Over to my right over here is a natural spring. It's got a concrete box to retain the water over there. That's elevated about 20 meters above where we're at right now. Behind me is a naturally occurring lake. This will be part of the common area. And you can see the hills around. There's another spring behind me over there. And the property is surrounded by rainforest. That's what you see at the top of the hills. There's a large body of rainforest over to our left over here, natural native rainforest. Lots of space here. Maybe we're going to build some hobbit houses over here. And in front of me there's a large flat area that we're going to turn into a common area, probably put a... I hope you'll come here and join us in November with Alosha for our first ecological build of a passive heating and cooling home. Please come and join us. Thank you so much.
If you have the energy and resources, come and learn live, because nothing can change that experience of co-creating together on the land that you might actually want to stay and set up a community with Arthur and myself, unite together and build. So it's a 3-week workshop. If you can't make it for entire 3 weeks, come for what you can, and the rest will be recorded in video and you can learn the rest online. But come, I look forward to be seeing you there. This is the closest I'll come to USA in the next few years, because American consulates have shut down their offices in Moscow and I'm not able to get visas. So Brazil is the closest I'll come to America. So I look forward to co-creating Watilarium, living by a shelter with you. Aho! Да, я хочу, чтобы ты вот эти все ведра потихоньку, чтобы сказать, как у меня есть ритм какой-то.